Hi class, it's week 4 and we are coming up on halfway through the term. This week we will be looking at preschool foundations, interaction with peers, interaction with adults, and cooperation and responsibility, and the kindergarten standards of growth and development and naming ways in which people are similar and ways in which they are different. And the concepts we will be looking at are developmentally appropriate guidance and challenging behavior, the one category that almost everybody says they want to learn more about. And while we will be learning about it this week, we will continue every week to address different aspects of challenging behavior. And then we have our 3 social emotional learning presentations this week as well. So we have the Chapter 4 quiz from the CATS textbook. We have a PowerPoint not on Chapter 4 from the CATS book, but a specific population of children that we might call trauma-sensitive children. And that's a term that is coined by several different theorists and practitioners. So this PowerPoint gives some reasoning behind why we would call children trauma sensitive and some strategies for working with this population of children. I will tell you that the audio did not come out well from our office on campus that does the voiceovers. It's my voice, but they record it for me. It is closed captioned, so hopefully if you turn your audio all the way up, you can hear my voice, although it's quite soft, but you can read along with the closed captioning. If you have any real difficulty, let me know and I will try to go over and re-record it and repost it for you. And then our additional reading this week is on positive behavior support with individualized approaches for addressing challenging behavior. Our week 4 video is from Becky Bailey of Conscious Discipline called How to Make a Bully from Scratch, and this is kind of a difficult video to watch in some ways, but it gives really the developmental trajectory of a child who has a lot of strikes against him or her from the very beginning, and how when you have multiple risks and traumas throughout your life, what that can add up to. Obviously it doesn't for every child, but as teachers we want to know the kinds of things to look for that may be hints or red flags for us to try to get a child help. This is a great video, and a great video also to share with administrators if you think it would be something that would be helpful to them. And then we have our small group discussion, which this week is a scenario, and you have 2 questions to respond to, and that's due on Thursday, and then your responses to your small groups are due on Sunday. And we have 3 social emotional learning PowerPoint presentations this week. Peace Works with Emily Smith, 4 R's with Kim Bliss, and Tools of the Mind with Deborah Cannon. So the 3 of you will be uploading or attaching your PowerPoint presentation to the discussion board, and then the classmates will be responding to your presentations. And I've given some ideas here of ways that you can respond. It would be helpful, if possible, for the 3 of you to try to upload your presentations earlier than Sunday night, just because we all tend to forget to go back in and look at previous weeks. So if it's possible to upload maybe Thursday or Friday, then that gives an opportunity for your classmates to go in and respond. It's not required, however. Sometimes I know it takes an extra weekend to get everything together. So your PowerPoint is technically not due until next Sunday. Okay, have a great week. I hope you find this week to be helpful information, and as always, please let me know if you have any questions at all or if there's any way that I can help you.